It is now time. She has had a lot of repairs to her. She will still probably have a lot more repairs to go because I know there's a lot more projects I got to do to her. But she needs her name. She needs to get christened. So we will be christening and putting her name on today. Got a few Kraken stickers already on it, no flames. But we will get her name put right there. Now placing these stickers on the boat, always a pain in the butt. You're like, oh my god, it's gonna have so many bubbles in it. As I was doing the Kraken, and yes, had to take a little needle to it, the little air bubbles, and like pinpoint put them in there and try to flatten them out. So same thing with this, you get this little like scraper, it's like a soft felt one. And as you're putting it on, like I taped it in the spot that I wanted to have it, and then I just kind of peel off the back and put it on, and then try to sticker it as I'm peeling it and moving it along. But you kind of have to get it on in the correct spot the first time, because if you try to peel the sticker off, you got that wax coating or gel coating peeled off on the sticker, and then it pretty much won't stick anymore. And then you have to probably use super glue. Now the sticky part is on the boat, so now we gotta like peel off the thing so you can see that. So we're gonna go like that and get all the sticky part off and get the letters pushed down and try to make sure there's no air bubbles in it. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Yes, peeling this back, it ripped the sticker, which pulled it off the boat, which that means, see how it's not sticky no more? On this half right about here is where it pulled it. So now I gotta get super glue. I use gel super glue and just put little dots on there and then push it back on. So that little flap right there will not be sticky anymore, because when it ripped, it pulled it off the paper, and obviously no stickiness now. See, it's just like smooth. There's no stickiness at all to it, because it has now taken part of the boat wax clear coat. Doesn't matter if you acetone it or not. I've done that too, and it still doesn't matter. There is one name. Now I get the other side of the boat and the back of the boat. Okay, the second side, now we got to peel off the sticker. So hopefully we'll take it a little slower and try not to rip the E. So a bubble like that doesn't want to squish out to the end, I usually just take a little needle and poke a couple holes in it and push it down. Now you can barely see the bubble. And now we have the other side's name on. Alright, so she has had a lot of work done to her, and she hasn't had her name. So now we're going to do a little ceremony. The kids are excited because we're non-alcoholic, so we have cider. But her name is Adiona, and we're paying homage to the sea gods, so we can have our safe travels home all the time. And actually, Adiona is the sea god for safe travels home. So, Lillian, do you want to place, put the glasses down for a second? And we are going to place the leaves on the bow of the boat. Do you know the bow of the boat?
No.
Front of the boat. So all the way up by the pulpit, which is where the anchor is. So you're going to put it right there at the edge. There you go.
Perfect.
And
I'm going to open it.
And what we're going to do, hold on, I'm going to get up there. All right, so
Yeah.
Jacob's going to open up the bottle here for me.
Yeah.
Go ahead. And we are going to pay homage and give the boat a drink.
Slurp.
And
So sticky now.
yep, we will clean it off. And now, Jacob, now it's our turn.
Pour.
So you can pour them in our wine glasses. So we're paying homage to the sea gods to have our safe travels home every time we go out on some wonderful adventures on our boat.
That's mine.
She will serve us well and take us home.
Oh, not anymore. I think Jim gets the most.
He's like, I want some more. Mom needs more.
Perfect.
All right.
Bubbly.
Can you hand me the glass?
Oh, look, it's a baby dragonfly.
Let's all do cheers.
Yeah,
Cheers to safe travels on all our adventures.